You click on a program shortcut and nothing happens. No window, no error, just silence. In this video, we'll go through all 10 reasons why this happens and show step-by-step how to fix each one on Windows 11. It works on Windows 10 and other versions as well. Before diving into each cause, remember one rule. Start troubleshooting with the simplest steps. The first 3 reasons on our list solve the problem in most cases and take less than a minute. The first thing to check is whether the program is already running in the background. Sometimes a process freezes. It exists in the system but doesn't appear on screen. That's why nothing happens when you click the shortcut. Windows thinks the program is already running. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. In the search bar at the top, type the name of the program that won't launch. Step 3. Right-click the process and select End Task. If there are multiple processes, end them all. Now try launching the program again. In most cases, this solves the issue. A desktop shortcut is just a link. If the program was deleted, renamed, or moved, the shortcut still points to the old path. When clicked, Windows follows that path, finds nothing, and silently does nothing. Step 1. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. Step 2. Look at the target field. It should contain the full path to the program file. If the path ends with a folder that doesn't exist or looks incorrect, the shortcut is broken. Step 3. Click Open File Location. If Windows shows an error, the file is действительно missing. If the program was only moved, find the .exe file using Windows Search. Press Win and start typing the name. Once found, right-click it and select Open File Location. Step 4. Drag the .exe file to the desktop while holding the right mouse button and select Create Shortcut here. You can delete the old shortcut. Some programs, especially older ones, try to write data to system folders or the Windows registry. This requires administrator rights. If you run them as a regular user, Windows silently blocks the launch. Step 1. Right-click the shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as Administrator. If a UAC prompt appears, click Yes. If the program launches, the issue is permissions. To avoid doing this every time, Step 3. Open Properties again, go to the Compatibility tab, check, Run this program as administrator, click OK. Many modern antiviruses can block programs without warnings. This often happens with software downloaded from the internet or outside official stores. Step 1. Open your antivirus via the System tray, bottom right corner. Step 2. Find the Quarantine or Blocked Items section and check if your program is there. Step 3. Temporarily disable protection, e.g. pause protection or disable for 10 minutes, and try launching again. If it works, the antivirus is the cause. Add the program to exclusions. Sometimes a Windows user profile gets corrupted due to improper shutdowns, updates, or malware. Programs may fail to launch only under your account but work fine under a new one. Step 1. Open Settings, Win+I. Step 2. Go to Accounts, Family, and Other Users. Add someone else to this PC. Step 3. Depends on Windows version. Choose I don't have this person's sign-in info. Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter any name and password. Step 4. Log out and sign into the new account. Try launching the program again. If it works, your profile is the issue. The simplest solution is to move your files to the new profile. Every app stores temporary data, cache, settings, saves. If this data is corrupted, the program may not launch. This is especially common with Microsoft Store apps. Step 1. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Step 2. Find the app, click 3 dots, Advanced Options. Step 3. Scroll to Terminate, Repair, and Reset. Try Repair first. If it doesn't help, click Reset. This deletes app data. For desktop programs, press Win+ or type %appdata %enter, find the program folder, and delete it. Malicious software can interfere with system operation to the point where launching apps is silently blocked. Use Dr. Web Curate, a free utility that doesn't require installation. Step 1. Download it from free.drw.ru. Step 2. Run as administrator, accept terms, click Start Scan. The scan takes 10 to 40 minutes. After completion, select Neutralize All. Restart your PC and try again. System files can be damaged by crashes, disk errors, or malware. Step 1. Open command prompt as administrator, Win+X terminal admin. Step 2. Run sfc/scan now. If needed, run dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Restart after completion. Sometimes Windows forgets how to run .exe files due to viruses or faulty installs. In this case, no programs launch at all. Test by opening several apps. If none work, this is likely the issue. Step 1. Download FixExec from winhelponline.com. Step 2. Run it, confirm with yes. Step 3. Restart your PC. If the system drive is nearly full, Windows cannot create temporary files needed to launch apps. Step 1. Check drive C. If less than 3 to 5 gigabytes free, it's a problem. Step 2. Search for disk cleanup. Step 3. Select temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails delete. Optionally click Clean up system files for more space. To make Windows optimization and cleanup easier, I created a program called PC No Problems. It helps clear as much cache from your disk as possible, find forgotten large files, and detect duplicates. In addition, you can uninstall unnecessary programs and locate their leftover traces in the system. Most features are available for free. For more details, visit the program's website. We've covered all 10 reasons why an app may not launch without errors. Remember the rule. Start with the first 3, they solve 80% of cases in minutes. Your action plan, task manager, end frozen processes. Check shortcut path. Run as administrator. If those don't help, continue down the list. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe and comment. Links to all tools are in the description. See you on the air.